It is David Paya.
Correct. Yes.
Hello. You've got a company. You've been dealing with costumes for years, but now you're dealing with motorcycle outfits.
Right. Universal Design started off as a costume making company. What happened is we merged our costuming experience with clothing design, and what we've come up with are movie replica motorcycle suits. So we are licensed by the studios, Warner Brothers, Lucasfilm, Disney with Tron Legacy, and Captain America by Marvel over there on the motorcycle.
We got Captain America here. Look at this. Like, I would love this. I haven't seen this on the road, but if some guy was riding a bike or some girl beside me and they were wearing one of these outfits, this is pretty cool.
It's really unusual. I mean, it isn't necessarily for everybody. I mean, you're looking for that emotional connection to the character, but the reality is you're not going to find something that's tougher than the suits that we make. They really are form-molded leather over motorcycle-grade impact foam. The orange details you see on the Tron suit, those are all reflective, so at night it lights up, and they're built like tanks. I mean, the protected natures of these suits are second to none.
Are they expensive?
Well, I mean, they're more on the high end. You're looking at anywhere from $298 for a jacket, anywhere to about $789 for the Dark Knight Batman jacket. Full suits will run under $1,200, anywhere up to $1,600, $1,700.
They are riding bikes and they are saving the world at the Motorcycle Super Show this weekend.